Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pad 2, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and on the left side you will find a bunch of toggles. One of those will be a screen recorder. So let's see how long it takes me to find it. And there we go. It's right over here. So once you see the toggle, you can simply tap on it. First time around, it will ask you for access to a couple different things. So we're just going to select while using the app, and then you can choose how it will be displayed. So you have the floating window or status bar notification that it's recording. The floating window will not be visible on the recording itself, so it might be a cleaner look. And that's what I'm going to select. And here we have the record button, the sound options. You can choose between microphone and system sound, both or none obviously, and obviously the close button next to that. Anyway, I'm going to click on the circle to start recording, and from here you can open up applications like Netflix, which won't be recorded. I would need to sign into Wi-Fi, so I'm just going to skip that. I'm going to open up something else, so there we go. And once you're done recording, you can interact with this overlay and stop it by clicking on the check mark. This will automatically save the screen recording to your Photos application. And you can see it right here. So that's today, but it might be easier to find screen recordings later on down the line under the albums and screenshots. And it's already playing back. Now I wanted to show Netflix here, as Netflix has the ability to block screen recorders from being able to see the screen. This kind of notification was just in regards to network, but once it starts blocking your screen, you have no way of knowing that some kind of application would be doing that, as there's no notification regarding it. So just be aware of that. There's no setting for you to change if you want to actually record some specific applications that have the option to block it, and this option is designed to protect the user. Now, not in the case of Netflix, that's designed to protect the corporate pieces of shit, but for instance, bank applications, you can imagine how that would be very beneficial to you if you happen to have some kind of malware on your device that spies on what you do. You open up your bank app, put in your passwords and all that stuff, and someone else now could see everything. So with those applications, obviously bank apps use that as well, and in such a cases that malware would not be able to actually see anything, just like screen recorder can't see Netflix. So yeah, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.